AI is taking over jobs faster than ever. Robots don't need breaks, sleep or lunch, they just keep working. Even accountants and software engineers are handing their work over to AI. So what does the future hold? Will there even be jobs for humans in 10 years? In this video, I'll break down how AI is changing finance, how to protect your income, and how to stay ahead of unemployment. Hi everyone, I'm Ersin, a CPA with a master's in finance. Let's dive in. Section 1. Firm's perspective. You know, the automotive industry has been dealing with robots for decades. But because it was just one sector, no one really felt the impact. Today, things are different. With AI getting smarter every single day, it's entering every industry, and company that can afford it is now investing in digital transformation. So let's look at what this really means. First, from the company perspective, and then we'll talk about what it means for your personal financial future. Part 1. Companies. How AI is reshaping their financial reality. Digital transformation isn't just a fancy buzzword. It's something that can completely reshape a company's financial performance. Global studies shows 3 major areas where AI has a direct impact: higher revenue, lower costs, and stronger risk management. Number 1. Cost reduction and major efficiency gains. This is the part where companies see the fastest and most visible return on investment. AI tools like RPA, automated accounting systems, smart invoicing, procurement bots, even automated internal audits take over repetitive tasks. No human error, no delays, no bottlenecks. Processes get faster, smoother, and cheaper. Even consulting firms like KPMG say companies are now exploring AI even in budgeting and forecasting, something that used to depend heavily on manual work. And number 2, smarter supply chain and logistics. AI-driven algorithms optimize inventory, predict delays, choose the best shipping routes, and reduce storage costs. That means faster delivery, less waste, and leaner operations. More efficiency, better margins. And number 3, revenue growth and new business models. AI doesn't just cut costs, it helps companies make more money. It predicts customer behavior. It helps businesses offer personalized products. It boosts loyalty, repeat sales, and upsells. And in financial markets, AI models can forecast revenue and profit more accurately than old-school statistical methods, improving strategic decisions and investment returns. Number 4, risk reduction and financial integrity. AI is incredibly effective at catching fraud, preventing cyber threats, and detecting suspicious patterns long before a human could. Studies even show that companies using AI have fewer cases of financial misconduct and stronger internal controls. That means better governance and more investor trust. For companies, AI isn't a trend, it's a financial necessity. Those who adopt it early will lead. Those who resist will fall behind. Understanding what companies do helps us understand what's coming for individuals. If businesses can get more done with fewer people, one thing becomes obvious. AI-driven unemployment is not a theory anymore. It's a coming reality. As companies automate more, fewer employees will be needed. More jobs will change or disappear. Competition in the job market will increase. And financial stability will depend more on individual strategy than employer security. So, the real question is, how will AI affect your financial future? That's the part we are diving into next. And we are into section 2. How AI will affect your job, your income, and your financial future. Let's talk about what everyone is secretly worried about: AI, jobs, and the future of your income. There is a lot of noise out there, but the real picture is a bit more balanced and a lot more interesting. Unemployment, income loss. What's actually changing? Big global studies like McKinsey or the World Economic Forum all say the same thing. AI isn't just replacing jobs. It's transforming them. Routines are disappearing. If your job is repetitive, predictable, or heavily database, AI is already knocking on your door. We are talking about tasks like data entry, invoicing, basic coding, administrative workflows. These roles are the first to shrink. Not because companies are evil, but because automation is faster, cheaper, and has zero burnout. But the twist, AI also creates a new jobs. According to the World Economic Forum, by 2025, 85 million jobs disappear. 97 million new jobs appear. So technically, it's a net positive. But here comes the catch, the real financial risk. The people who don't retrain, the people who avoid learning new skills, the people who hope their field won't change. They're the ones who face income loss, job instability, and long-term financial pressure. AI rewards the adaptable. It punishes the passive. The jobs of the future, where the money flows. In the AI era, the most valuable jobs are the ones that need human intelligence. The parts AI can't fake. Human-centered roles. These are jobs that require social intelligence, emotional understanding, deep creativity, complex negotiation, human trust. AI can't replicate those. Not now, not soon. AI-enhanced professions. Then there's a new way. Jobs that don't exist yet, but will dominate the future. Prompt engineers. AI tool specialists, machine learning engineers, blockchain developers, cybersecurity analysts, AI product designers. These roles pay more because demand is exploding and supply is tiny. The financial impact. If you position yourself inside one of these growing fields, you are not just protecting your income, you are upgrading it. This is where the high salaries, remote opportunities, and long-term security will be, and strategies for working with AI. Not against it. The smartest move today isn't fighting AI. It's learning how to use it as your productivity partner. Lifelong learning is the new job security. McKinsey's long-term data is clear. The people who survive and thrive in AI-driven industries are the ones who keep learning constantly. Not degrees, not diplomas, but on-demand skills like using AI tools, learning new software, building workflow automations, understanding data, managing AI outputs. This is the new competitive edge. Invest in human skills. AI is powerful, okay, but it still needs humans to think critically, solve complex problems, make ethical decisions, lead teams, understand emotional signals. Those skills raise your value and your paycheck. Shift toward high-value work. Give the boring parts to AI. Focus your time on the strategic, creative, and high-impact tasks. When you increase the value you create, you increase your salary leverage, your job security, your career growth, your long-term financial stability. This is how you stay relevant and essential in the AI era. AI isn't coming to replace you. It's coming to replace the version of you that refuses to evolve. But the version of you that adapts, that learns, that partners with AI instead of fearing it, that version becomes unstoppable. And we are going to final thought. At the end of the day, AI isn't a storm we are waiting to pass. It's a new weather we are going to live in. Some people will fight it, some will fear it. But the people who win in this new era are the ones who stay curious, keep learning, and use technology instead of running from it. The truth is simple. Your job might change, but your value doesn't have to. If you invest in your skills, your mindset, and your ability to adapt, AI becomes a tool, not a threat. The future doesn't belong to machines. It belongs to humans who know how to work with them. So keep learning, stay flexible, and don't just survive this AI era. Use it to build the future you want. Take care of yourself. Bye.